Alright man, Mr. Martin 405 back with another video, and today, man, we gotta replace excuse me, gotta replace the headlights in the Durango. Now I went with some super bright LED bulbs that I got from Car Lighting District. I've had those maybe year and a half, 2 years, give or take. Was on my way home on Friday. Pulled up to 7-Eleven, noticed my passenger light was out. Figured, all right, maybe just come unplugged, maybe an issue, may have fallen out, because it still looked like it had a little bit of light to it. So, get it home, pull the little cover off, pull the light out, barely on. So, got to change those out. Before we really jump into the video, and y'all jump in the comments, any of y'all with Durangos, let me know what it is that you guys are running. As far as your headlights, I don't remember what the brightness was on the headlights that I'm taking out of there, but the ones that I got just for right now, so that way I can continue driving the Durango, I think there are 6,000 or 6,000K as far as the brightness goes. I think the other ones may have been brighter than that, but these are the ones I went with. Box, of course, you get your gloves, so then that way you're not really touching all on the bulbs, which I never really touch on them anyway. If you know what you're doing, you don't have to worry about this type of thing, but I may use these just in case. Also, of course, you get your adhesive to kind of stick your resistors somewhere along the inside of the fender. But with all the stuff I have in there, I may not need those, but we'll see. Of course, you got your zip ties if you need them, and of course your booklet. And then these are your lights. Let me get these pulled out. Nice short lights. Other ones that I have, I think, are just a little bit longer than these. Of course, you got your resistor kind of built in there. Of course, your socket. Shouldn't be a long video. Shouldn't take me long to get these knocked out. Right there. Again, because they're just plug and play, so I have to, already got one out on the passenger side, take that out, so I just got to take the driver one out, get those put in there, let you see how bright they are. And really, I'm making this video for purposes of showing other people who have Durangos if you need to take your lights out. Most of y'all already know how to take your lights out. Of course, you take your cover off and your wheel well and get in there to your headlights to get them taken out. But also making this video to ask you guys what lights you're running, because again, these are just temporary. I probably put me a brighter bulb back in there, but I again need these just to be able to continue to drive the Durango. Still got some work to do on the vet before that's a daily driver. Again, my goal is to have the vet ready by summertime, early to mid summertime. I want to catch a couple of the car shows, so we'll see how that goes. Got some parts that should be coming in for the vet, so I'll jump back on that process, changing out my door speakers and my speakers that are in the back. Anybody that has a vet knows those some smaller speakers, which when I pulled it up on Amazon, said they were 4-inch speakers. Coming to find out, I guess they're 6.5, so I'm putting 6.5s up front, and I'm working on some stuff to change out the ones in the back, because there should be 6.5s back there in the back as well, but I'm going with a 6x9 back there, so y'all stay tuned for that. Let me get these headlights in. Get the rest of this video wrapped up. Again, just a quick little video, but I got much more content coming, man. Y'all stay tuned. We'll turn, as you can see, get this light on. Take that off, and then that's when you get up in there. That's the back of the headlight right there. So, zoom in there. So that's what we got to get in there. Actually weren't that much brighter. They were only a 6,500 instead of the 6,000 that I just went with. So maybe going brighter when I get the new ones. Like I said, I'll probably keep these ones that I'm about to install in there for a little bit until I find the right ones. Not too bad. Like I said, not as bright as it was, but it'll do temporarily. Well, my fog lights don't seem as bright. So that'll do it for another video. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, man. I got much more content coming to y'all. Peace.